Hey guys, this is Ben with Cooper and Bimmer Experts. In today's video, I just wanted to show you fault code 1688 right here. It's a little misleading, as many of the fault codes for Mini Coopers are. It says 1688 DME electric throttle monitoring, but what that really is, it has nothing to do with the throttle. It's actually for the harmonic balancer. So what's happening with that, guys, is the harmonic balancer has come apart and it's in two pieces. So here's the harmonic balancer, and the little rubber in there comes disconnected. So it should be one piece, but it's in two. So what happens is, I'm trying to do this all one-handed. So the drive belt spins off the crank pulley here, and that's what spins the supercharger, the alternator, the AC compressor, all that stuff. So what happens is this part of it is attached to the crankshaft and it's spinning, but the rib part here is actually not spinning as fast. So that's why it gives a throttle monitoring fault, because the supercharger is not spinning as fast as the crank. So you can see in here, right in here, that it's actually scraped the side of the aluminum housing. You can see it all up in here where it's scraped. So that's today's tip. This is only for first generation minis, and that is 2002 to 2006 with the supercharger. Okay, so that's what it is. 1688 is a harmonic balancer, always is. So how you test that is you can put the special tool on, release the belt tension, and then with the belt tension released and the belt's still on, the harmonic balancer still on, you can move the little rib part. And if that's the case, then it's a harmonic balancer for sure. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. And as always, thank you for watching. Check out our other videos. And if you have any questions about Mini Coopers or BMWs, ask in the comments below.